Hi, this is Richard for Grout Rescue, and we're here with our friends showing marble restoration. This is a dull marble floor, a very classic 12 by 12 Botticelli marble, Italian marble, beige that are in almost many homeowners' homes. And in order to restore the shine, what we have to do is grind down the floor. You can't just put a liquid sealer on it and expect the floor to shine. The way that stone is shined is by the way that it's cut. And this is a machine that has circular diamond blades on it of different grits. And what the machine is doing, this is a swirl that you see on the floor. And this swirl is just water. It's not a liquid. This is not a chemical. This is the actual process of grinding down millimeters of marble, making what's called a diamond swirl. And it's a long process. It takes someone who's very skilled, as my friend from J&J is doing with us today. And we're here helping the homeowner together, making his marble floor shine and look pretty again. You can see the tiles on the wall, how nice they are. This is actually wall tile. Look at the walls. And this is the dull floor. Show you the different processes that you go through in order to make the floor restorative to its natural color. The floor is approximately 25 years old. Thousands of millions of footsteps, animals, dirt, spills, what have you have taken place on this floor. Who knows? But this is Grout Rescue with our friend from J&J doing a marble restoration project. 203-227-4048. Thank you.